So, very good evening, everyone. Today we are going to celebrate Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. Okay, so it's an Parakram Divas today, and 23rd of January, the Jayanti of Subhash Chandra Bose. So you already know Subhash Chandra Bose was a freedom fighter, and actually means he was a very famous freedom fighter. Okay, so some will discuss about Subhash Chandra Bose on his life journey. Actually, some facts said that in Subhash Chandra Bose death is also a mystery. Okay, for right now, so we are going to discuss about Subhash Chandra Bose and Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti and some Subhash Chandra Bose quotes. Okay, so first we are going to discuss. We means it's a very great or importance day. Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti is a day of great importance that is observed in India. Actually, not only in India, all over the world. But actually, he was a freedom fighter of India. So mainly we celebrate. This day marks the birth anniversary of one of the most important freedom fighters. I already told you, Subhash Chandra Bose was important freedom fighters. Actually, Subhash Chandra Bose very close to Mahatma Gandhi. Subhash Chandra Bose, every year his birth anniversary is celebrated on January 23rd, and people remember his significant contributions to help gain Indian independence on this day. Actually, we got Indian independence after a long or means messy fights, means so many struggles, sacrifices and all. So means Subhash Chandra Bose was played a very great important role in Indian independence. Okay, Subhash Chandra Bose was known as a Netaji. Actually Subhash Chandra Bose को हम कैसे जानते हैं? नेताजी. जैसे उनका जो फेमस कोट है, गिव मी द ब्लड, आई विल गिव यू द फ्रीडम, आई विल गिव यू फ्रीडम. जस्ट लाइक तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. मतलब ये जो कोट था, जब स्वतंत्रता की हम बात करें तब ये बहुत फेमस कोट था. मीन्स फ्रीडम टाइम की हम बात करें, जब हमारा देश आज़ाद हो रहा था उस टाइम पे ये कोट काफ़ी फेमस था. मीन्स 1940 से लेकर 1942 के बीच का ये कोट है कि तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ाद. मतलब इसका मीनिंग ये है कि सुभाष चंद्र बोस चाहते थे, मीन्स ही वांटेड दैट मीन्स दैट द यूथ ऑफ द इंडिया विल और वर सपोर्ट अस और अवर इंडियन फ्रीडम फाइटर्स. ओके, तो सुभाष चंद्र बोस was known as Netaji, respected leader, and his legacy remembered not just for his political leadership but for his vision to witness a united and independent nation. Okay, and you also actually, if you are aware or not, I'm not knowing, because Subhash Chandra Bose was an just like in first, or I think not in first, means he was civil servant also. He was civil servant, you know, civil servant like IPS, IAS. So Subhash Chandra Bose was civil servant, and he left his civil servant job for contributing to the nation. Okay, his political leadership, but for his vision witness a united and independent nation. His contribution inspire generation to this day. Means जो उनका जो contribution है, contributions है, contribution किसके लिए? हमारे देश के लिए जो भी उन्होंने किया है वो आज के हमारे यूथ को क्या करता है, मतलब यूथ को बढ़ावा देता है, कहीं ना कहीं यूथ को मोटिवेट करता है. मतलब हमारी जो आने वाली जनरेशन हैं या अभी जो जनरेशन हैं निकल गई हैं, उनको क्या किया है. तो आप ये सोचिए कि 23 जनवरी मीन्स अप्रॉक्स सुभाष चंद्र बोस की जो डेथ थी 1945 से मिस्ट्री बनी हुई है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट मीन्स दिस ईयर इज 2025 अप्रॉक्स, यू नो, 55 and 25, 80 years. It's an 80 years. Means his after his death means he is very popular right now. Okay, means so many freedom fighters was that time, but Subhash Chandra Bose have a very great capability, very great knowledge, and means so many things. Subhash Chandra Bose was a leader who believed in the power of armed struggle to gain freedom for India. मीन्स उनका मानना ऐसा था कि जो पावर हम किसको देते हैं, आर्म्ड फोर्सेस को, वही क्या दिला सकती है, हमें आज़ादी दिला सकती है. एक्चुअली जब वो गांधी जी थे उस टाइम पे, तो गांधी जी का बोलना ये था कि हम जैसे कि इंडिपेंडेंट नेशन बनाएंगे, कैसे बनेंगे, अहिंसा से. मीन्स उसमें ज़्यादा हम लोगों को मारेंगे नहीं। सुभाष चंद्र बोस थोड़े से किस टाइप से थे, उग्र टाइप से थे, ठीक है। तो उनका जो नेचर था वो था देश के लिए ही था, लेकिन थोड़ा सा इसी के चलते गांधी जी और सुभाष चंद्र बोस के बीच आर्गुमेंट्स हो गया था। मीन्स आफ्टर दी, मतलब बिफोर द इंडिपेंडेंस, मीन्स इन 1939 actually Subhash Chandra was elected as an Indian Congress president, but that time that party was not favored, and Gandhi ji said to Subhash Chandra Bose that that president okay of the Indian National Congress. So that time they actually Gandhi ji and others, Jawaharlal Nehru and others, they prepared a new president for that time, and Subhash Chandra was left the Indian National Congress that time, and actually he began his whole party, just like I don't remember the name right now, but he began his all party, but not in India. Actually his message was last message was Gandhi ji, means mere pyare bapu, just like that, okay. He didn't hesitate to take bold steps when he realized that peaceful resistance was not enough to shake the British Empire, okay. So this was the some basic thing about Subhash Chandra Bose. Now we are going to discuss some quotes on Subhash Chandra Bose. So I will invite every student, and one by one you will tell about the quote, okay. You can choose your quote and I will give you other quote otherwise, okay. Yes, first I am inviting Manvi. Manvi, please come. So Manvi, what quote would you like to choose? First one, okay. You know the meaning of the quote, first one. So first you have to tell the quote, okay. Then after, meaning of the quote.
The quote is, one individual may die for an idea, but that idea after his death incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. It means like there is an idea of a person, no one cares, no one give importance to that idea, but after that person die, everyone started to important to that quote or that sentences or that idea, and but when the people live, no one care about it and don't that much importance. So it means like when the people live, we have to more focus on that, like we have to search that it is good or bad. We don't have to judge firstly like that's not good, I don't interested in that. Firstly we have to know about that and give some excuses to that.
देखिए इसका मैं आपको हिंदी में मीनिंग बताता हूँ, ये कोट का जो लोग नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं। देखिए फर्स्ट क्या लिखा है, वन इंडिविजुअल मे डाई फॉर एन आइडिया, मीन्स एक कोई भी इंडिविजुअल वो किसके लिए मरता है, उसके आइडिया के लिए, मतलब उसके विचारों के लिए, ठीक है। उसने अपना पूरा जीवन किस में लगा दिया, उसके विचार के लिए, लोगों के जीवन को सही करने के लिए आइडिया उसने दे दिया। बट दैट आइडिया विल आफ्टर हिज डेथ, मतलब उसके मरने के बाद जो आइडिया होता है ना, इनकारनेट इटसेल्फ इन 1,000 लिव्स, मतलब हजारों लोगों का जीवन क्या कर देता है, बदल देता है, मतलब मोटिवेट कर देता है, हजारों लोगों के जीवन में एक नई उमंग, प्रेरणा, शुरुआत लेके आता है, ओके। So this was a very famous quote of Subhash Chandra Bose. Next I am inviting Christy. So Christy will let you know. So Christy, what quote would you like to choose?
Sir.
Fourth one, the duty of student is not only to study but also to prepare himself for the service of the motherland. Yeah, it's a very good quote. Means एक ड्यूटी किसकी, स्टूडेंट की, ना केवल क्या है पढ़ना, लेकिन बट ऑल्सो टू प्रिपेयर हिमसेल्फ, मतलब अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करना, तैयार करना किसके लिए, सर्विस ऑफ द, मतलब हमारी मातृभूमि के लिए, सर्विस देने के लिए, सेवा देने के लिए। पहले के जो स्टूडेंट रहते थे, जब उस टाइम पे जब आप सोचो कि इंडिया को जब इंडिपेंडेंस मिली तो कितना स्ट्रगल किया होगा उन लोगों ने, ठीक है। मीन्स उनके अंदर एक मदरलैंड की फीलिंग्स रहती थी, ओके। आज भी हमारे अंदर मदरलैंड की फीलिंग्स हैं, हमारे इंडिया को लेके, हमारे कंट्री को लेके, ओके। यस क्रिस्टी।
So I think that in the past time the students were not able to get the perfect knowledge or perfect studies, and in the today's world our youth and our students or the children have a lot of options and opportunities. So in this quote it is told that the duty of a student is not only to study. It means that they only don't have to focus on studies, but they also have to prepare themselves to do service, to serve themselves for the country also, and do many things and make our country proud and also famous in our world. Thank you.
Next, I am inviting Aradhya. So, Aradhya, which quote would you like to choose? The youth of a nation. Let youth realize that freedom is not a matter of gift, it is a prize to be earned through sacrifice and struggle. Okay, tell the Hindi meaning also.
So I think the meaning of it that first let me tell the Hindi meaning of this. It is that अपकमिंग जनरेशन जो आने वाली जनरेशन है उन्हें ये पता होना चाहिए कि जो फ्रीडम है वो गॉड गिफ्टेड नहीं है, वो हम लोगों ने जीती है लड़ लड़ के, और कई लोगों ने इसके लिए अपनी जान भी गंवाई है. सो आई थिंक दैट इट इज़ दैट मोस्टली if we were not knowing our history too clearly or how we get the freedom, so mostly most of the students will be thinking that okay, it is god gifted and we have just taken it, god just helped us to get this. But in reality many soldiers and many people died for this.
So let's done. Okay. So in next session we will discuss about more quotes. Okay.